Although we might not be the first one, but Jesus wants us to experience Him and give Himself to others, whomever we come in contact with. My dear friends, once we experience our risen Lord, there is a change in our life. Even if you see in the first reading today, Peter, these disciples, they were hiding, but now once they have experienced Jesus, Peter is speaking boldly, and he is like telling directly that to the Jews, know that Jesus whom you crucified, and it cast deep in the heart of the Jews. My dear friends, once we experience Jesus, Jesus dwells within us, and He is trying to tell us through these readings. As we are reflecting on these readings today, let us ask each and every one of us, let us ask ourselves and see whether we have really experienced our risen Lord,